Hello.
Welcome to Turtle Talk. My name is Jay, and before we begin, I have just a couple more announcements for you. Here at Seabase, there's no eating. No eating, guys, please. Drinking, smoking, or flash photography. Thanks, guys. The piece of equipment you see hanging in the water is called the hydrophone. Allows us to hear sounds from beneath the waves and also allow us to talk to our special guest today. Does everybody know who that is? Shut up. That's right. Crush is coming here to learn about the human world, and we're going to get to learn about the turtle world. So if you have any questions, start thinking about them now, and who knows, you might get to ask them. Now, Crush is out to see us, and we should call him whenever we are ready. So at count of 3, I want you all to shout out, "Hey, Crush." Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Crush! Okay, crab shell dudes! Righteous! Check out that was excellent double spinner, dudes. Was awesome. Look at all the humans in the human tank. Hey, how you dudes doing in there today? Good. Awesome. Got some big dudes on the benches. Hey, big dudes, give me some fin. Excellent. Got some little dudes down. Sub boy. Hey, little dudes. Hey, little dudes. Focus, dudes. Totally. Hey, Jay, I want to say hi to some of these dudes. Let me start this dude in the front row right here with the short sleeve blue shell, red lid on the noggin. What's your name, dude?
Good.
Your name is Good?
No.
What is your name?
Leonardo.
Leonardo, how are you doing today?
Good.
Excellent. Dude, do you know how to talk like a sea turtle?
No.
Like, can you say totally?
Totally.
Can you say sweet?
I don't know.
Say sweet.
Sweet.
There you go. And then you put them together and you say totally sweet, dude. Totally sweet. There you go. You're totally talking like a turtle. You say totally rock. Okay, human dudes. Anytime a sea turtle says you so totally rock, you're supposed to reply, dudes. Let's try it. You so totally rock. Dudes. There you go, dudes. Now you're all talking like sea turtles. Sweet. Alright, let's rock another one. Let's go to the other side of center. Dudette front row. It's like the third one over with the short sleeve white shell. What's your name, Dudette?
Kathy.
Kathy. How you doing, Kathy?
Good.
Awesome. Dudette, where are you from? Where do you live? It's okay. I don't know where you live either. Don't worry about it. So, who brought you here on this fine day? Did your mom and dad bring you here?
Yes.
Sweet! Where's Mom and Papa Kathy? Raise your bench, kids. Where's the mom and dad? Front bench or second bench, taking a mini vacay. What's your name, Mama?
Vanessa.
Vanessa, how are you doing today?
I'm doing all right. How are you?
Doing most excellent. So is Kathy the only offspring, or do you have more?
No, Gavin is there next to her too.
So you have two. That's
I have
cool.
two, yeah.
I've got 65. That's why I was curious. You going for quality, not quantity?
Yeah, I think I'm good.
Awesome. Do your offspring ask you lots of questions?
All the time.
Sweet, then we can share a proud parental moment, dude. Because of my son Squirt, he asks me lots of questions too. In fact, just the other day, he's wondering about you human dudes, so I'm here to soak up some human knowledge I can bring back to my young offspring. Can you dudes help me figure out what Squirt was wondering about? Say, chaw. Chaw. Sweet dudes, you so totally rock. Yeah, you got it. All right. Squirt was wondering what you human dudes like to do at the beach, so shout it out, dudes. What do you do? Swim. You got swimmers, most excellent. Raise a fin if you're a swimmer. Who are my swimmers? Awesome. Who are my fast swimmers who like to go fast? Yeah, I love to go fast. You dudes want to see? Say chaw. Chaw. Sweet dudes, let me get my motor running. You can help me out, dudes. Say rip it. Rip it. Roll it. Roll it. Punch it. Punch it. Got it now, dudes. Here I go. 15, 20, 25.
Hey, Crush, watch out for the glass.
Yeah, thanks for the heads up there, Hank, dude. Did not even know he was there. You know what, dudes? I'm gonna open the ocean floor to you dudes. Any questions for the Crush Man? You know anything dudes want to know about sea turtles? Just raise a fan, dude. So that's a question for me. Big dudes, little dudes, anybody. Alright, let's start this dude over here, short sleeve, kind of gray shell in the front row. What's your name, dude?
Dawson.
Dawson, what's your question, Dawson, dude?
I forgot.
That's right. I forgot the answer, dude. Don't worry about it. You're good. We'll go for a different one. Other fins? How about do that with the pink shell there? Long sleeve, pinky purple shell on the end. What's your name?
Jillian.
Jillian. What's your question, Jillian? What's your question, dude?
This isn't a question, just we don't have fins, we have hands.
Oh, okay. I'm probably still going to call them fins, but thanks for the info. Let's go for another one. More fins. Oh, Jellyman, dude, you alright?
Oh, hello, Crush. I'm trying to get away from a turtle pile.
Why, dude? They're awesome. Human dudes, want to see a turtle pile? Shout it out, say turtle pile!
Please, stop! Turtle pile!
There's a turtle pile, dudes.
Stop! It's too much! I can't breathe!
Human dudes, go catch CAC. I'll join up with you in just a few minutes, dudes. Rock on!
Thanks a lot, Crush.
For what, dude?
The turtle pile?
Dude, you totally said it again. Turtle pile!
No!
Yeah, that was awesome. Alright, more fins? Who else has a question? Center aisle, back on the floor, dude. Short sleeve, black shell. Back there by the front bench. What's your name, dude?
Hayden.
Hayden, what's your question, dude?
This isn't a question, but I heard that tiger sharks can actually break turtle shells, so you actually gotta swim away from tiger sharks.
Yeah, it's definitely one of the fun. I have a list of things that we've got to watch out for. Tiger sharks are on the top of that list, dude. My top 5 are tiger sharks, saltwater crocodiles, barracuda, oil companies, and suit makers. Alright, let's go outside edge over here. Dudette with the white shell. What is your name?
Zoe.
Zoe, what is your question or statement?
Why does head sharks have heads?
Why do hammerhead sharks have heads? Well, all sharks have heads. Why theirs is all flattened out, I'm not entirely sure. It's just kind of the way they're made. Yeah. They're not very nice sharks either. You know what a nice shark is? Whale shark. Biggest fish in the ocean's got 3,000 teeth and doesn't use any of them, dude. That's a good shark right there. What? Who? Dory. You saw Little Blue?
You can't catch me! Hey, come back here!
So I'm missing something? Little Blue! I'm Destiny.
Ooh, hello there! Hi, humans!
Hey, that's it's most excellent you could join us on this fine day. You think maybe you could teach the human dudes how to speak well?
Destiny could teach them.
Sure.
She taught me. If only she were here.
I am here.
Wow! Well, that's freaky.
Okay, everybody, repeat after me. Hello, whale.
All right, human dudes, let's do it. Most excellent whale speak, human dudes.
That was really amazing, everybody. I even heard some orca accents. That's super advanced.
Oh, that's really advanced.
Whoa, you called a real whale.
Real whale.
You called a real whale.
Little blue, big blue, big coming, go, 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 go.
Swim! Dory, are you all right?
Destiny, how do you tell her to go away?
Go away, whale.
Come on, human dudes, let's do it. You so totally rock! Yeah, you dudes remembered. Awesome.
EAC! EAC!
Squirt.
EAC!
Squirt, dude.
EAC! Dad, come on! Time to ride the EAC, dude!
Totally, mini man, but I wanted to let you know the human dudes are answering your questions for me, dude.
Sweet!
Totally.
You so totally rock! Rock on, human dudes!
Curl away, my son, and I'll be with you in just a second, mini man. Alright, human dudes, a lot of familiar calls and time for me to cruise, dudes. But before I go, I'm gonna leave you dudes with something, okay? We all share the same oceans. Be good to her, she'll totally be good to you. And little dudes, do me a favor, okay? Use the word dude the rest of the day. Your parents will love it, dudes. Put your fins together for Jay. Help me out. I'll see you dudes later. Bye, dudes. Rock on!
Let's give it up for Crush and Dory! To learn more about Crush's Swings, I see turtles, dolphins, and sharks. Please visit undersea viewing area located on the second floor. Now, as you exit gather your personal belongings, secure your children. They can't stay here with us, and exit out the double doors I showed you earlier. For your safety, please do not climb on, walk on, step on, surf, swim, stand, or